Hello everyone! Today we have a very useful video. If your phone battery is draining quickly or you are worried about YouTube secretly tracking your location and data, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to disable these hidden tracking and playback settings so you can protect your privacy and save battery immediately. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then click on the Account section at the top right-hand side corner, and then click on Manage your Google account. Select Data and Privacy, tap on Timeline, and hit Turn Off to stop YouTube from recording your physical movements. Next, check your web and app activity and either turn it off entirely or set the auto deletion to 3 months. This step is crucial because leaving these on allows Google to build a full behavioral model of you for targeted ads, and tracking your physical location constantly drains your battery even when you aren't using a map. If you don't see these specific options directly in the YouTube app, simply go to myaccount.google.com in your web browser and click on Data and Privacy to manage them there. Next, go back to your main profile page and tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on General, find the option labeled Playback in Feeds, and change it to either Wi-Fi only or completely off. Doing this instantly stops videos from automatically playing in the background as you scroll through your homepage, which saves a massive amount of unnecessary battery drain and mobile data. If you don't see Playback and Feeds under the General menu, check your Data Saving or Autoplay settings, as it may be located there on different app versions. Finally, while you are still inside the main Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Look for the setting labeled Allow Users to Mention Me and toggle the switch completely off. Turning this off is highly recommended because the default setting allows random strangers and AI bots to tag your account in videos you have absolutely nothing to do with. If you don't see this privacy toggle, ensure your YouTube app is fully updated in the Play Store, as this is a relatively new account setting. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.